In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a power bank, actually a 25,000 milliamp, 130 watt power bank. So it's 100 watt plus 30 watts. How cool is that? And this thing is awesome. This is by a company called VEGER, I think's how you pronounce that. And let me just kind of like show y'all, I've already had it out, been using it, and put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. But I want to show you what you get when you get this thing. So open it up, very nicely packaged. Open it up here. You can kind of see there's comes with a little bag, a little carry sack, a little stuff sack that you get with it. And check this thing out. This thing is awesome. There's your kind of like your instructions, so you get a little welcome guide. It kind of goes over with some of the instructions on this, on how it works and all that. But you know what? It's a power bank. There's really not much to it, because I'm going to show y'all exactly what you get when you get this thing. There's an in and out USB-C, and there's a USB-A, and you see this blank right here. Mash that button. I don't know if it's coming up in the video, but you can see your percentage. So it goes 0% to 100% on however much power you have left in here. And you can see right there, it's 130 watt fast charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my iPhone 13 here. So I'm going to show you the iPhone, because check that out. I don't have a cord on me, but look at that. There is a full-on lightning port right there. Watch when I plug this in right here. I'm going to plug the power bank into my phone. There you go. It's charging up right now. Works extremely well on iPhone. I've got my little survival light here that actually uses a USB-C for charging. So let me open it up. You see a USB-C port right there. I don't have a USB-C cable. Check that out. It's charging it right now. You see how it's pulling up the red dot? That means it's charging it. I can hit right here. My percentage is still at 60%. So there you go. So then you're thinking, okay, I've used it on a cell phone. I've used it on a battery. So I've got this little Lenovo laptop right here. You can see right there. Let me turn it on. And what I'm going to do, it uses a USB-C. Let me plug in a laptop with this thing. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but you can see that little logo right there. This thing is charging. It's charging a laptop. You can see right here, 67% battery, 42 minutes until full. This is one of the coolest things. I carry this thing in my backpack everywhere I go. This is the VEGER 130 watt fast charging. So it's worked on laptops. I've used it on my iPhone. I've even charged a survival radio with this thing. So how cool is that, that you actually get both cords? You know, you got a USB-C cord and a lightning cable. So you got everything you need right here connected to it. You don't even have to use your own cables, but if you wanted to have a USB-C out or a USB-A out, you have it. So there you go, everybody. That's all I got today for the VEGER 130 watt fast charger. See you guys in the next video. Woo!